What's going on, guys? I'm pumped up and excited you guys are here. My name is Jarvis Floyd, and this video is going to be about Young Living and why I'm so pumped up about it, guys. And I'm excited because, for one, guys, I know it's working, okay? I know you guys are probably wondering, if you're like me, what is essential oils all about, right? And what is the advantages, and really does it work? So I'm one of those type of guys that I really do my research, right? And I have some great friends involved with this company, with essential oils, guys. And I'm excited because guess what? I know it's changed some of their lives. I've heard some amazing stories about it. If you guys don't know, I basically do online marketing. I travel, I do a lot of things that are amazing. Online marketing is my passion, and also helping people live their dreams, okay? So Young Living is a product that I'm actually experimenting with. In my room last night, we actually took out some essential oils, and we actually used some Young Living oils, and I talked to a young friend of mine about it. So she loves them, okay? So I'm excited because, guys, guess what? It can help health and help you guys improve your health, right? I'm all for it, right? So I thought essential oils was just some kind of thing that people did because they enjoy doing it, but no, it actually has several health benefits. And I want to give a shout out to Tina Ramsay, guys. If you know who she is, she's an amazing lady. She's also with Young Living, and she has a great story. She's going to come back and share that story at some point. So guys, subscribe to our channel, subscribe to my channel. You guys just come and check back often. We're giving away secrets on how you can make money with Young Living and with essential oil. So basically, guys, here's what I do, okay? I like products that I actually use myself, I promote, they help me, and then I promote them. So I don't promote anything I don't personally use and recommend, no joke, okay? So guys, I want you guys to understand something right now, okay? That's the Young Living is changing people's lives because it's changing people's health and wealth. How can you go wrong with that, right? So guys, if you're watching this video, that means that someone sent you guys here. I'm pumped up you guys are here. I'm excited you're here because we're changing lives this year, guys. And I'm trying this thing out, and I'm gonna utilize this product every single day to improve my health, and I'm pumped up you guys are here, okay? So guys, any questions you guys have, reach out to us. Just understand that we are here for you, okay? We love you, we appreciate you, and I'm not playing this year, guys. 2019 is our year, and we're gonna separate from people that are just ordinary, right? We wanna be extraordinary this year, okay? Shout out again to Tina Ramsay. She's an amazing lady. Also to Curtis, her husband, they work as a team. I love those guys because they have shown me how, and told me how Young Living has changed their lives, guys. And I can't wait to get their story out there because it's powerful, guys. I was here last night in a resort with someone else that happened to be with Young Living, and they told me their story. So now I'm really pumped up because I'm gonna have my story as well. So these are people that I personally know, that I know that what they're saying is true. I know them, so I'm excited to work with them with Young Living. Also, shout out to Angela, pumped up about her as well. She's a great lady. So we have a great team, guys. When I say this right here, I mean this with all my heart, guys, is that I don't work alone. How can you make it in this world by yourself? So you guys come on board with us, right? Come on board with me, guys. Sign up using my link, and guess what I'm gonna do for you guys, right? The advantage of working with us and myself is that when you guys come on board with Young Living, guys, you don't just come on board and you're by yourself. We have another lady, shout out to Anna, who cooks with this stuff, guys. She's actually a specialist in desserts, right? She uses this stuff in her cooking to make her beautiful desserts, right? She has over 20 years of experience. She has students under her. So when she told me she used Young Living, I was all for it. I was like, okay, this is something that must be powerful, something I must try, something I'm gonna try, and something I'm gonna use. And guys, you guys come on board with us, right? With any of us, really. But right now we're talking about, but guys, anyone on my team is awesome, right? You guys are gonna get the oils, and you have other people that are gonna show you how to use the oils, right? That's the first thing I'm gonna do is do that, and also some sinus, high body congestion. So things like that, think about it. It's oil, you inhale it, right? You sniff it, so obviously it can help your sinuses and things like that. Lavender, now I've used lavender and things like that in the past. I know lavender works. But this kit comes with lavender and a bunch of things that I'm so excited about, guys. I'm pumped up because I love to help people, right? But I like this product because it can actually help my health and I can build wealth. Wow. So guys, when you guys come on board, guess what I do for you? Why you should join with us and my team is that I'm gonna give you guys a marketing system, right? I'm an online marketer, I have 10 years of experience, guys. I build systems that work, right? You have to put the work in, though. Is it gonna work for you is the question, right? But you have my team, my support. So you're gonna get Young Living, right? You're gonna get all your kits and all that. But if you decide you wanna promote this company, guys, I'm gonna personally make you a sales funnel, right? I make them all the time, guys. So come on board with us and you're gonna get a sales funnel with your membership. And we're gonna give this to you at a very low price, guys. I'm talking, these funnels go for $500, thousands of dollars, right? I'm not playing, you can Google that. Sales funnels cost, okay? They're expensive, but I'm doing stuff low cost because I want to really help people out, guys. I want to help people grow, right? Some sales funnels go for anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000. Look it up if you think I'm playing, okay? So I'm giving these things away at a really good discount. And you come on board with Young Living, guys, you're gonna get a sales funnel tailored to you. And you're gonna get people like Anna, people like Angela, people like Tina helping you and showing you guys exactly how they use oils to improve their health. And guess what? This is the kicker I want to leave you with. When someone told me that they had a certain health condition, right, and that they were almost gonna not be here anymore. I want to say it the right way, right? They were facing a situation that was so bad that they were faced with leaving the planet for health reasons, right? And with all her heart, she told me that this product, and all the people in her family told me, this product is one of the reasons why she's still living today. And when I come here to Vegas, guys, and I'm on my little trip, I'm working and I'm taking some fun here and there, but this is a real story, guys. She, like, I met someone last night that also has a story about Young Living. Young Living is not a new company, guys. All right, been around for a while. So if there was some type of issue or they weren't being truthful about that, it would have already been out by now, guys. So I want you guys to get excited, guys. Take massive action. This is your health and your wealth that we're talking about right now, guys. So why are you waiting? One thing I don't like and one thing I just don't care for, is procrastination. Because procrastination does what? It keeps you in the same place you are today, right? If your health's not great, having issues, why procrastinate on that? If you need to build some wealth and you need to build some extra income, what are you waiting for, right? So guys, I'm extra excited, extra pumped up, guys. The next step is for you guys to click in the link in the description of this video, or click the button below, or click the button above. Click any button near this video and let's get you guys rocking out, guys. I'm pumped up for you. Are you excited or what, guys? Comment, share this video, love this video. I want to know your feelings, guys. And also, you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. I'm giving out money once a month, right? In January, somebody's gonna get some money, and also a vacation, guys. That's something we're giving away for comment and engaging. I want to know you guys' health stories. I want to know your experience with essential oils, right? So share your information, guys. Let's get going. Let's take your life to the next level, and let's make this year a great year, okay? So we'll see you guys on the next page. On the other side, let's go.